Hi, my name is Nino and I'm one of the sales rep here at the Saeco Phedra coffee machine. Today I'm going to show you how to refill the Phedra coffee machine with the product. So we start first on opening the machine. As you can see, we're running a little bit low on the coffee bean, chocolate, the chai and the soup, and I'm going to show you how to refill it. So first of all, we put some coffee beans. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to refill the chicken soup. It is actually advised and a good idea actually when you refill the container. You can either refill them from here, but I recommend you to do this way. Just shut this toggle off, bring the container, if you got a sink nearby, fill the container up. And make sure that this one is shut off, and always put it upside down, make a little bit of mess, but this will avoid if there is any product that goes solid inside the container that might block the container dispensing. Sometimes it's also a good idea to take a look inside here. If you grab this toggle and just twist it, this will come off. There you are. And normally you will find some product dry in here. This one looks okay. As you can see, it will be dirty, so what I do, I give it a quick rinse. And please make sure when you put it back it's nice and dry. So it's off, nice and dry. So you put it back. There you are. Now, once you put the container back into the coffee machine, make sure there is a little latch here, as you can see. They hand up into the locking place. Okay, now it's locked in position. To finish off, make sure you turn the toggle on. Otherwise, no product will be dispensed. So, do the same procedure with the chai tea. And the chocolate, please make sure, this is the chocolate, this is the chai. Please make sure you mix up the product, sometimes happen. So, and for more information, just visit our website www.espressoitalia.com.au.